This video is part of the Agent Deployment ITM in Plain English Developer Works blog, which gives an overview of the agent deployment process. Here we demonstrate the most commonly used commands with their most common options. Okay, the first thing I'm going to want to do is download some ITM code. In my case, I'm going to download a package containing mainly operating system agents. I can then extract the package on my TEMS server into a convenient directory. You will need to use your Passport Advantage account to find and download what you need. On my TEMS server, I've logged on using the sysadmin account and set some session parameters so that I can easily issue further commands. The first command I'm going to use is the list bundles command. To explain how this works, I'm going to move to a directory where I extracted my files. If I list the contents of the directory, I can see a number of subdirectories pertaining to different operating system types. I'm now going to move to the Unix directory. Listing this directory, I can see a number of files with the extension DSC. These are description files that the list bundles command looks for. I'm now going to issue the list bundles command using the -i parameter to specify the source directory. As you can see, there are a number of agents listed, so now I will issue the command using the -t parameter to specify a product code, the Unix product code for example. Now I can see a list of Unix agents including HP, AIX and Solaris. The next command I'm going to use is the add bundles command. I'm going to use this command to add the AIX agent bundle I listed previously. The command is much the same as the list bundles command with the -i and -t parameters. However, this time I'm going to add the -p parameter to specify the platform. This relates to the host type field in the agent bundle list. I am now asked to confirm the request. Notice the additional product code entry UX checker. This checks for and adds the prerequisite bundles for the agent. I'm going to enter Y to continue. Following a few informational messages, I can see that my AIX agent bundle was successfully added. To view my depot, I'm going to use the view depot command. I can now see the AIX agent bundle and all its prerequisites listed in my depot. The next command I'm going to use is the remove bundles command to remove bundles I've just added. Again, I'm going to use the -i parameter to specify the source directory and the -p parameter to specify the platform. Again, I'm asked to confirm the request, and again I'm going to enter Y to continue. Once complete, a list of bundles removed is displayed. However, if I issue the view depot command again, I still have a couple of items listed. These cannot be removed by the remove bundles command. However, if I move to the agent depot directory, under the packages directory, I can see a directory relating to the host type. If I then remove this directory, and issue the view depot command again, the deployment depot is now empty. I've now re-added some bundles to my depot, but before I deploy an agent, I'm going to use the list systems command to display the agents connected to my TEMS. I will use this command again once I've deployed an additional operating system agent. To deploy an operating system agent to a given system, I'm going to use the create node command. This needs to be done before deploying any other non-operating system agents, as it creates the required infrastructure for remote deployment and maintenance. In my case, I'm going to deploy an operating system agent to an unmanaged AIX server. I'm using the -h parameter to specify the host, the -d parameter to specify the directory, and the -u parameter to specify the user. Note that I do not need to specify the agent type. I am then prompted for the password, after which I am informed that the request has been successfully queued. The next command I'm going to use is the get deploy status command to view the deployment status. Currently I can see that the agent is being installed. This may take a while, but eventually I should see the success status when issuing this command, or failed if anything has gone wrong. I'm now going to use the list systems command again. I can now see the AIX system to which I have deployed the operating system agent. I can also see an update pending in my TEP console. If I click to refresh, the new agent is displayed. I can also use the view node command to display further information about the node. I will use this command again on a different node type later. The next command I'm going to use is the add system command to deploy a non-operating system agent. In my case, I'm going to deploy the log file agent to a Windows server. I'm using the -t parameter to specify the agent type, the -n parameter to specify the node. I also need to use the -p parameter to specify configuration properties. The configuration properties are dependent on the agent type. In my case, I'm just going to configure a basic log file agent instance. Again, I'm going to use the get deploy status command to monitor the deployment status. And now I have a status of success. I can also see a pending update in my TEP console. And once again, I'm going to use the view node command to display further information about this Windows node. Finally, I'm going to use the restart agent command to recycle an agent. I'm going to use the -n parameter to specify the node and the -t parameter to specify the agent type. I'm going to enter Y to confirm my request, and immediately I can see that the agent becomes greyed out in my TEP console. And once again I can use the get deploy status command to monitor my actions. You can also use the stop agent command to stop an agent, and the start agent command to start an agent.
Thank you for watching this video at the C&SI Monitoring Academy. We'd definitely appreciate your feedback, so please feel free to use the comments box below. We'd also love you to click the thumbs up if you appreciated the video. We have added several helpful links to all our content. I would definitely recommend you check out the blogs on DevWorks. Take care.